truck world. We revamped everything, made more space, brought in the speed shop. But come on inside and let's check it out. We have all the experienced salesmen to help you guys with any kind of news. We're going to go straight into the speed shop. That's where you're going to find me at. In the speed shop, we got a lot of race fuels. Like I said, we want to be able to tailor to all the racers. You spark plugs, race fuel, fill the nitrous bottles, you name it. We pretty much keep most of the stuff in inventory. We have all of the hose end stuff, 180 degree, 90 degree. Call us, let us know what oils you run, what gaskets you need in stock. Whatever you need, like I said, feel free to call us. We should have everything here. On the speed and truck world, we have our own graphics department. We can do some really nice stickers with your number, class name, and then the driver's name as well. So you have all matching stuff. So here's the shop where we do the tires, the nitrous, the alignments, and everything back here. Here you can get your nitrous filled, buy all your spark plugs, get your raised gas, drop your rims off, get the new tires put on, and then get back to the shop or to your house and get ready to go racing. Fill all the nitrous. As you can see, we have plenty of mother tanks so we never run out. No overfilling bottles, no air into the bottle. We take pride in what we do over here. Whatever kind of racing needs you guys have between parts, service, and accessories, Speed and Truck World down here in Sunrise Boulevard. Got you guys